5 Best Carpet Steam Cleaner for Pets Reviews. Number 1. Hoover Power Dash. If you are looking for a lightweight carpet steam cleaner for pets, Hoover Power Dash can effectively clean up even the messiest pet stains. So many of the carpet cleaners out there solely rely on technical jargon to convince you that their product will be the best choice for you. But the Hoover Power Dash has rather focused on providing powerful suction and cleaning efficiency. Rather than fancy features and gimmicks, it provides deep cleaning of the carpets in the house with antimicrobial protection. Hoover Power Dash 43.5 inches long. The brush roll gives a deep cleaning against bacteria, mold, and mildew. Its cord is 20 feet in length so that you can cover a large area while cleaning your carpets.
Number 2. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution. We do love to care about our pets. But taking care of a pet does not just end when you feed them or give them your attention. You have to continuously take care of their food habits and keep up with the mess they leave in your house and especially in carpets. You can't just keep it there for obvious reasons like the smell and bacterias. So if you have set your mindset about cleaning the pet's drains and don't let them ruin your expensive carpeting, you should give the Bissell ProHeat 2X a try. It is a specially designed heavy-duty model for pet messes cleaning with a lot of features. You can start cleaning with it directly onto pet stain spots just by pressing your foot onto a pedal. It is easy to use. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Cleaner can operate both in the dry mode as a full-size vacuum as well as in the wet mode as a carpet cleaner.
Number 3. Light and Easy Steam Mop. If you are interested in chemical-free cleaning for the carpets or any other surfaces in an affordable price, this Light and Easy Steam Mop is one of the best carpet steam cleaners you can get out there. It is a budget-friendly and very lightweight steam mop. It is well suited for taking care of pet stain cleaning quite well. Light and Easy Mop can remove dust from the various surfaces. Also from the carpeting in the house and upholstery items as well. You can use it for various different purposes and cleaning different places by detaching it. It will turn into a separate handheld steam cleaner. Light and easy steam cleaner works with minimum water, and the floor also dries very quickly. So the cleaning process with it is nice and convenient. For maximum dust stain and bacteria removal, it utilizes 110 degrees Celsius hot temperatures to remove these hard and sticky messes.
Number 4. DUPRAY 1 Plus Steam Cleaner. The DUPRAY 1 Plus Steam Cleaner is a very useful and durable cleaning solution for your home and vehicle. Also for professional grade cleaning as well. It offers the most simple yet the most efficient solution for cleaning pet stains that have been long a part of your carpets and rugs. DUPRAY is truly a very powerful machine that comes with a versatile cleaning solution without the using of harsh chemicals. It can be rolled and used around to clean a range of hard floors to all the upholstery items, like couch and other trouble spots where you can't reach that easily. It uses very little water, provides superheated steam in just 8 minutes. The water flow continuously cleans and makes cleaning much more comfortable without any halt. Number 5. Pristine Thermopro 12-inch-1. Many of us are so engrossed into the big brand names like the Shark or Bissell and getting the most costly items for our household, we often don't consider that there are a few lesser known brands that have been producing quality cleaners as well. Though Thermopro 10-in-1 is rather one of the most popular carpet steam cleaners for pets out there, and it performs quite well. It is a very fast and effective steam mop that cleans everything from pet poop stain to urine stench as well. Per Steam assures your pet and family's safety without using harsh chemicals. Per Steam Thermopro 10-in-1 gets prepared to clean in just 30 seconds. It brings back that new look to your floors and carpets almost immediately. One of the best steam cleaner for tile and hardwood.